How to block someone on Facebook without actually waiting for 48 hours. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can block someone on Facebook without waiting for 48 hours. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to block someone on Facebook without actually waiting for 48 hours, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to basically launch the Facebook application here. Let's say we just come to the search page, tap the gear icon over here, and then we simply go to the option called blocked sections, right? So here if I go to blocking, I had happened to block someone, but then I accidentally unblocked a person. Now because I accidentally unblocked the person I don't want to unblock, if I have to block them, they will say me that I will have to wait 48 hours if you want to block them again. And maybe let's say that person started irritating you again, they found out that you unblocked them. How do you block them right after? Now of course you cannot block them within the 48 hours, but that is not always the case. What you can instead try to do is, let's say you just happen to actually unblock this person, right? Whenever you unblock that person, and if you go to their profile page, so I'll just select a random person's profile page. Instead what you can try to do is tap the three dots, and let's say you're not being able to block, but what you can always do is just try to report them. And when you try to report them, Facebook will automatically block them from your feed or from your account. So you can go to report profile, you can select a region for your report, and then just select any of this, and now here you can see block this person's profile, and when you tap on them, that will automatically block them again. So the trick here is that if you unblock them accidentally, you want to block them within the 48 hours, just try to report them. And if this doesn't work, you can do this for a temporary process, and after 48 hours you can go ahead and then block them permanently. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.